You can see, is that me? Oh, it's me. Hi, my name is Bash Harry and welcome to my channel. Yes, this is not like a usual basic indoor background. I am actually at Luton Airport because I'm waiting for my flight to Amsterdam. Long story short, I'm going to continental Europe for the first time since ever. And I'm going to Amsterdam for the weekend. And because I'm going to Amsterdam for a weekend, I'm only carrying a really small backpack and I need it to be travel friendly because I don't want to take too much stuff. So I decided to take this opportunity to show you guys what I'm bringing to my trip, how I can look kind of decent on a travel basis when I'm walking around for a long time. Hopefully you guys will learn some tips and tricks on the way. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll start off with the face. I recommend using travel size products. I know that a lot of brands do this. For my primer, I use Urban Decay Quick Fix Spray and spray it all over my face. This is about 10 quid. I got it from like London and it's pretty efficient. I quite like it. Because I'm only going for 2 days, I am bringing only one foundation and one concealer. To be honest, I would skip foundation if I were you, just because it'll just take too much place in your bag. But since I know I'm going to be vlogging this trip, I wanted to look kind of camera ready, hence why I'm bringing the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F6. That's my usual color anyway. And for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in 110. Then I set everything with my regular powder. I recommend that you limit your liquids and your loose powders because they might break during travel and it's just a mess no one wants to clean up. For brows, I am using the Benefit Mini Brow Gel. For the brow gel, I just sweep this over because I really do want to darken my brows. And for brows, I am using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I recommend using pencil when you're traveling just because it's easier and faster and more compact compared to powders and gels when you have to bring a brush. And so the NYX Brow Pencil in particular has like a spoolie at the end, so it's easy for you to like blend out if you need to. Since I'm not bringing an eyeshadow palette, I am using my blush, my bronzer, and my highlighter on my eyes as well. Usually I apply the bronzer into my crease and I apply the highlighter on the lids. If you have miniature versions of products like the NARS Blush and Orgasm, I would highly recommend bringing those. In fact, if you have any miniature versions of products, just bring them instead of the actual larger versions. I'm only bringing this highlighter and this bronzer because they're the ones I think are easiest to bring and I don't have any more. Other than that, for the eyes, I also bring mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I have the full-size version, but they do have the miniature version of this selling at Boots. And I highly recommend getting mini versions of mascaras anyway. I find that I go through mascaras very quickly after 3 months regardless of size, so you should really just buy the miniature version rather than the full size. I'm not bringing any eyeliner to this trip. I think it's going to just take too much time and I haven't found a pencil liner that doesn't smudge easily after a long day. As for lips, I'm only bringing 2 lipsticks, which is the MAC lipstick in Taupe and MAC Diva. One nude for the day and one for the evening, just in case I think I'm going to go out. And as a final touch, I'm spraying Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray on my face and letting it set. To recap, avoid bringing liquids because it's difficult to carry around. Limit yourself to one foundation and one concealer, or skip foundation and just spot conceal if you can. Your face products can also be used as eyeshadows. Bring miniature versions of your favorite products because they're easier to carry around, and bring 2 lipsticks, one for the day and one for the night. Oh, and extra tip, a brush roller is great for storing your concealers, your brow pencils, your mascara, etc., etc. Anything that is a stick form should be easy to carry in a brush roller. I'm using the one I got from Real Techniques, but I'm sure you can get any somewhere else like NYX or something. I'm also bringing very few brushes. I'm only bringing 1 brush per product that I use for my face, and that's about it. And yeah, that's what I'm wearing right now, and that's what I'm probably going to wear for the next 3 days, I'm guessing. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Bash Harry, and I'll see you soon. Bye! I can't do it here. No, it's too awkward. I'm not going to do that. It's so awkward. Ada orang putih depanku. Nggak suka. Nggak suka ya ketawa. Okay, I'm done. Bye. People are watching me so awkward. I don't like this at all. And yes, I am holding my phone as a mic because you definitely can't hear me with all this noise.